perfect cold brew coffee. It tastes like summer, it's so smooth, and the best part is it's so easy to make. I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks, and here's how to make cold brew coffee. Cold brew coffee is exactly that, water, coffee, and it sits for 24 hours brewing in the refrigerator. For cold brew coffee, you don't want too fine of a grind on your coffee. We're looking for medium or coarse ground. For this recipe, we'll use 1.5 cups of ground coffee and 6 cups of filtered water. You don't even have to heat your water. All you do is add your coffee grounds right into the cold water. Give it a quick stir and then cover and refrigerate for 24 hours. This coffee has been sitting for 24 hours. You will notice that the coffee grounds have risen to the top. Now we'll just strain them out. We like to use a fine mesh strainer and then place an old towel over the top. You can tell we've used this 1 or 2 times already for cold brew. And then we'll just pour in the coffee. You can work in a few batches here. You don't want to rush this part because the smooth flavor of the cold brew comes from the slow dripping of the coffee. You will end up with 4.5 cups of concentrate. That equals about 9 servings of cold brew coffee. To serve it, just use equal parts of cold water and cold brew to make the perfect cold brew coffee.